morning to all. Welcome to our channel. So by the way, my name is Crisanto Encarnado. I'm a realtor, a father, and a family man. So by the way, ngayon, babaybayin natin yung daan papuntang Georgia Villa subdivision. So ibabike natin siya and using our mini MTB, this one. So ayan, be with me, ride along with me, and see you later. God bless. So ngayon, nandito na tayo sa MSU IIT. Ayan. So, nasa mga 6 kilometers na tayo papunta sa Georgia Villa subdivision. So this is my first time na mag-site visit using this mini MTB. This one. Alright, see you later. Ayan, so nandito tayo sa traffic light. Kahit bikers lang tayo, kailangan pa rin nating sumunod sa mga traffic rules and regulations tulad ng traffic light. So, safe ride to all. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Robinson's Place. Alright. Ayan. So, we are now at the Robinson's Place. Dito sa Iligan City, may dalawang mall. Quezano Mall at saka Robinson's Place. And ang pinakamalapit na mall sa subdivision na pupuntahan natin, yung Georgia Villa subdivision, is itong Robinson's Place. Kaya pinakita ko sa inyo. So, ngayon, diretso na tayo dun sa subdivision. Alright, see you. Alright, so dumating na rin tayo sa Georgia Villa subdivision. So ito yung guardhouse nila with my mini. So this is my mini MTB mountain bike. Alright, so as I started around 5:45 in the morning and exactly mga 58 minutes nandito na ako. So as you can see, mini MTB, hindi talaga siya ganun kabilis tumakbo. Pero sulit na sulit ka yung distance ng padjak mo kasi if ang purpose mo is to lose weight tulad ko, it really works to me. Alright, so ayan, nandito na ako and it's already 7:04 today. So mga 58 minutes yung travel time natin kasi meron din ako mga stopovers na binidyohan along the way dito. And ngayon, nandito na tayo. Alright, so maliit lang yan, no? Mini MTB. Okay, so ba't ko ba alam tong location na to? Of course, I'm a PRC registered salesperson and HLURB registered salesperson. So what I do for a living is nagbebenta ng mga subdivisions, mga condos, mga bahay. And ngayon, since nakahiligan kong magbike, yung target ko is mag-site visit while biking. And as of the moment, yung tripping natin is dito lang muna sa Iligan City. Siguro in the future, pag medyo malakas-lakas na tayo, medyo maliit na yung katawan natin, pagkakaya na natin outside Iligan. Alright, so it's one way also na makatipid ng gas, no? Kasi ang mahal na ng gasolina ngayon. Right, so Isipin mo, 79 pesos na yung special na gasoline sa Shell, no? So di biro na yung ano, yung every lakad mo, no? Kumbaga every kilometer counts. So if you are biking, tubig lang yung katapat, right? Alright, so what's good with biking is that aside from naka-site visit ka na, nakapag-exercise ka pa, no? So yung tripping ko talaga is early morning. Kanina lang medyo nakagalan ako kasi medyo sumakit yung tiyan kakagising. So as of now, no, yun yung kinagigiliwan ko ngayon, no? Yung biking. Nabasa nyo yung post ko previously, I was 123 kilograms before when I started biking this mini MTB. And ngayon, I'm already at my 110 to 109 kilograms. So ganun kabigat yung katawan ko. Pero so far so good. Wala naman akong problemang na-encounter so far. And I can really see that I really lost weight using this mini MTB. Alright, so salamat. Thank you for watching. Keep riding safely. I'm here, your friendly realtor, a father and a family man, and now a biker, Crisanto Encarnado. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click like, share, and comment on the comment section below. If you want to be updated on our next videos, you can also click the bell icon so that you will be notified. Alright, so see you and God bless us all. Bye-bye.
I'm so happy.